Today we're checking out this Go Fast Bits VTA blow-off valve for the 2015 to 2025 Mustang EcoBoost. If you're wanting louder blow-off sound and a sharper turbo response without compromising any reliability, then this is one of the best upgrades for that option, and it's definitely worth checking out. This is going to replace the factory diverter valve with a more performance-oriented unit that gives you audible feedback right away with better throttle feel and a stronger boost holding. One of the biggest draws of this unit is that it gives you a crisp, aggressive blow-off sound every time you lift off the throttle, while still maintaining solid performance characteristics overall. Because this uses a low-profile integrated solenoid, it's designed to drop right in with minimal effort and fit neatly into tight spaces where that factory diverter valve goes. It's going to offer improved turbo response, faster boost recovery, and superior boost holding and reliability compared to that stock diverter valve. One of its best features is its pilot actuation system, which allows the valve to open progressively, giving smoother transitions under throttle modulation rather than the abrupt open-close behavior of many of those factory valves. Also, compared to the simple spacers that only add some sound but don't improve the performance, this replaces the diverter valve entirely, fixing underlying weak points from that stock unit. Now when it comes to the construction on this, Go Fast Bits builds it with precision machine components and tight tolerances so the piston seals cleanly and reliably. The solenoid is integrated in a compact, low-profile design overall to keep it from interfering with the surrounding components and being a direct fit replacement. Because the internal parts are high quality, it's going to resist wear over repeated cycles, and it's going to last you for the long haul. The design also includes a built-in seat in the body to ensure a proper seal even when mated to an imperfect OEM plastic diverter valve seat. All the included hardware and the wire is going to come in the box, so you're not missing bolts or fittings, and you can install it the day you get it without piecing together parts. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that $300 price range. Considering you're getting improved response, sound, and better reliability, it's a solid price point for Mustang EcoBoost owners who want that extra edge. When it comes to the installation on this one, this is going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in just 1 hour of your time. The process is fairly straightforward. You just remove your factory diverter valve, swap in the new unit, connect the wiring, torque everything to spec, and you're good to go. No drilling or any major modifications are going to be required to get this installed. It's a direct bolt-on swap with all the necessary hardware being included, making it a pretty beginner-friendly overall project. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up for my review of the Go Fast Bits VTA blow-off valve for the 2015 to 2025 Mustang EcoBoost. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.